We're at Broome.
I wonder what gives it away. What beautiful sunset. Actually, what is also amazing is if you got a four-wheel drive, bring your car down onto the beach. Heaps of four-wheel drives here. Just a great vibe. Michelle just being Michelle.
There's a dolphin out there. There's a dolphin out there.
Yeah.
I was getting excited.
Well, our second day at Broome, and I'm not sure if we mentioned it, but we shouted ourselves a bit of a treat, and we've actually come down to, I think it's a G'day Park. I think it's Town Beach, so perfect location, and we don't have any boys for 2 nights. So the plan was we were going to relax, but as we're heading to Ningaloo, the day has turned to work. So I won't bore you with actually showing what we're doing, but you can look at the mess behind me. Actually, we're carrying some gear for some other people as well. Still got the broken water tank. Been doing some electrical work, just fixing up a few leads that frayed a bit. Filling up with water, ready for Ningaloo. So we do have a water bladder. Actually, that's about ready to blow. And more importantly, we've got something else happening. Actually, I will just let that. So this is our water bladder, plus I've got a jerry can. So this all came in handy. Sorry, it came in handy when we dropped our, or lost our water tank. But while I'm doing the outside stuff, Michelle, oh, look at this. Let's turn a light on. Look at her, the professional chef. She is awesome.
So nice.
Catching up on a heap of meals, ready for Ningaloo.
Yes.
So
we are. I am.
looking good. Once again, if we've pushed the thermo a lot, but we really get good use out of it on the road, especially when you're on power. Yes, we can run it briefly while we're off grid, but it's when you're on power, you can cook a heap of meals. So chili con carne we're working on.
Yeah.
So awesome. So yeah, this is how we spend our free day in Broome.
We did want to sit on the beach all afternoon, but hey,
Yeah.
gotta eat.
So no, today had a return valve also break or jam inside, so disassembled that, gave a bit of a tap, all back working. So overall just having fun, the stuff that goes on behind the scenes. So, but we're no different to everyone else. Anyone who's traveling, you're all doing the same thing, and it's great to have a day where you can just catch up on all these jobs. So replacing a lot of loose screws as well that have fallen out. But anyway, look forward to our next adventure, which will be Ningaloo, Winderabandi actually, so it'll be great. So it's time to let down our tyres. We are at Yardie Creek. Starting to get a bit nervous. Like I said, I've never towed the caravan. Actually, I've never had this car on the beach before. Done a fair bit of beach driving, but not this combination. So yeah, a little bit nervous, but heaps of people either airing up or airing down, so it's a good spot. But we've been advised to probably go down, pick whatever you want to go down to, but it's fairly rocky for a bit after this, so don't go too low. Once we get close to Winderabandi, if we need to go down further, go down then. So that's my game plan. Okay, we are crossing Yardie Creek, so there it is there. But I gather it's not going to be that deep. So here we go. I'm not sure where we're going. To our surprise, Yardie Creek turned out to be quite firm. From there, it was 24 kilometres along a sandy and at times a corrugated track to Winderabandi.
It's very narrow. Winderabandi, here we come. First 50 metres, sand is quite firm.
Yes. So much for being told it's soft. Whoops. Yeah, so far so good. It's really firm.
So we've arrived at Winderabandi and we are excited because look at where we are. Amazing. And now he's reversing. That's what I'm supposed to be getting. Sorry. I was supposed to be getting the caravan. Now I get in trouble because I turned it too fast.
So we got here, secured got a great spot. So we're in camp spot 31. We had to phone up and organise extra payment because we've had some extra people join us. While we're on the phone, we've managed to secure another 15 days, I think it is, here at Winderabandi. So it does pay to check. So we're online organising it, and we have to move twice throughout the 15 days, but it's all within Winderabandi. One will be right on the beach down the back, and one will be just beside us. And yeah, very happy. So here's Michelle working. Look at that beautiful sunset.
It's like the whole sky.
The whole sky?
No, the whole place.
Yeah.
It's just not, you know, no, it's just on the horizon.
Yep. So the colour, bright orange, purpley colour, just keeps going. Keeps changing.
Amazing.
Stunning.
A little cold though.
Wow.
Welcome back.
We are, as you know, we're at Winderabandi.
Almost 21 days now.
Yep. Can you tell? Look at this.
And the weather has been amazing. Every day.
Perfect. I know it's called Winderabandi, windy.
As the wind blows through my hair.
We've had, I mean, look at that water behind us. It's dead flat. And you can see the sunset there. It has been...
Yeah, it's been amazing. We've just used this time to really relax, do homeschooling, and yeah.
Lots of cooking.
Have you?
Keeping us fed.
Have you done cooking?
But no, if
you did cook one night.
I didn't know what to expect. Everybody raves how good Winderabandi is.
No, it is.
And for us, it was just relaxing and doing nothing. So we don't have a boat, obviously.
No.
So
and
yeah,
we don't have
great.
a lot of footage.
Because we
relaxing.
just chilled.
Except.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble here.
Today I was swimming out there in the ocean, and right beside me, literally right beside me, I could have touched it, was a dolphin swimming with me. I look up, there is, what do you call them?
Two drones.
Two drones up in the sky, and are they ours? No, this guy's in bed sleeping.
Yeah, Michelle came back to the caravan, is like, I'm so glad you got the footage of me swimming with the dolphins.
No, sleeping.
I'm like, wasn't me.
I feel like going asking them for the footage.
But one thing I want to comment on, and I'm sure it's the same for all beach campsites, and they're all behind us now, so if we're a little bit distracted, it's been great for the kids. All the kids, won't film them because we've got other people's kids here at the moment, but all the kids from all the different campsites are all just playing and having fun.
Yeah.
So
they can run up the beach. We'll see the backs of their heads.
Yep, so we'll be like, where's one of our kids? And they'll be wandering up the beach there.
That's how these kids can.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, but anyway, so yeah, we've got a bit of drone footage and a bit of footage of Winderabandi here. But yeah, look, we've just loved Winderabandi, and it really will be. If you're heading this way, it's a must do. Definitely do it.
And you must book.
Yeah, book in advance. So
we have moved 5 sites because you can't get lots of.
Because we booked last minute.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
But anyway,
if you have booked and you're not coming, cancel.
Yeah, let people know.
Yeah.
So all good.